Hey, good morning. Welcome back, my fans. Big Al here. Haven't been around for a while, but I'm going to give you an update on my Blackwater garden. So things have grown significantly since last time I posted. So as you can see, Passionfruit Vines are just going wild. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at them all. Oh, totally awesome. Trees are getting up. The grapevine still a bit low. Give it a year or two and it'll kick off. And what we got here is what they call the desert rose. They grow in hot, dry climates and give some nice flowers. And as you spoke to you, one of my previous things, the idea is for the passionfruit vine to grow up the tree to provide a better canopy cover in summer. It's coming into winter here now, nice and freezy, but as you can see by looking up, the canopy is growing and we're getting a nice crop of yummy passion fruit. So my cherry guava tree slowly growing, getting there. Probably too much shade underneath here, but we'll see how she goes there. Bougainvillea, which is for keeping people out of my yard, jumping the back fence, so I'll get a few more of them later. But the outstanding moment is my olive tree, which used to be up to my knees, which is now up to the top of my head. It has grown fantastic. Loving it. If you get a cold enough winter, where this morning it got down below 6, so if we get some light frosts, I might get a small crop next year. Seeing as probably growing this good because the root system, well, it was in a pot for 10 years before I transplanted it. But yes, it's loving it. I had some periwinkles come up on their own. I didn't plant them, they just came up. So I might get a lot more of them. I'll find out how I can get some more and plant them around if they're going to survive in this climate here. My mandarine tree, not going so good. I think it got attacked by some aphids or something similar to that, but I've been spraying it recently. And the other trick is to keep the ants off it, because the ants kill the bugs that kill the aphids I mean. So yeah, I've even set the little sprinkler system up there to make sure it does get enough water as well. And not last, but my strawberry guava tree. So hopefully if we do get frost, it doesn't kill it. But about 6 months ago, I squirted around a whole heap of cherry tomato seeds. So they finally decided to come up, and I am getting a nice crop of them. They're coming up, so I don't know whether this oncoming cold weather will kill that off or not, but fingers crossed. Anyway, all you beautiful people, have a good day, and hopefully I'll be out doing a little bit more later and talking to you later. Have a good one.